Unlock a new level of desktop productivity with the power of AI. Let's dive into how to harness Ask AI on your computer. First, ensure you have Ask AI installed. If you don't, head to the official website, find the desktop version, and follow the simple installation instructions. The link is in the description below. Once installed, launch Ask AI. You'll be greeted by a clean interface, ready for your prompts. Think of prompts as your instructions to the AI. Crafting effective prompts is key. Be specific and clear about what you need instead of asking vague questions. Phrase them precisely. For example, instead of asking AI for writing, try explain the benefits of using AI for content creation. Notice the difference. A well-defined prompt will yield a far more useful and relevant response. This is called prompt engineering, and it's how you train the AI to give you what you need. Ask AI can assist with various tasks. Use it to summarize lengthy articles, generate email drafts, brainstorm new ideas, or quickly find information. The possibilities are endless. You can copy and paste the output directly into your work. Ask AI seamlessly integrates into your workflow, making tasks more efficient. And that's it. You are now ready to use Ask AI on desktop. Explore its features and integrate it into your daily tasks to experience its potential. Don't forget to subscribe for more AI tutorials and tips. And let us know in the comments how you are using Ask AI to boost your productivity.